How to get drafts back after deleting TikTok. 2026, you deleted TikTok, reinstalled it, and now all your drafts are completely gone. Hours of content vanished. Before you give up on them forever, stay right here because in the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you every possible way to get your TikTok drafts back in 2026. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're tackling one of the most painful TikTok mistakes creators make, deleting the app without knowing what happens to your drafts. I'm going to break down exactly why this happens, what your recovery options are, and how to prevent it from ever happening again. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand why your drafts disappeared. TikTok drafts are stored locally on your device, not on TikTok servers. This means the moment you delete the app, those draft files get removed along with it. Unlike your posted videos, drafts are never backed up to your account in the cloud automatically. Step 2. Check your phone's recently deleted or trash folder. On iPhone, open your Photos app and tap the Albums tab, then scroll down to Recently Deleted. On Android, open your Gallery or Google Photos and check the Trash folder. If any draft video clips were saved to your camera roll before deletion, they may still be recoverable here for up to 30 days. Step 3. Check if your drafts were saved to your device storage directly. On Android, open your File Manager app and navigate to Internal Storage. Then look for a folder called TikTok or a Media Cache folder. Some Android devices retain app data briefly even after the app is uninstalled, and your draft video files may still be sitting there. Step 4. If you backed up your phone before deleting TikTok, restore from that backup. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Manage Backups, and check if a backup exists from before you deleted the app. On Android, check Google One or your manufacturer's backup service for a restore point that predates the deletion. Step 5. Reinstall TikTok immediately if you haven't already and log back into your exact same account. In some cases in 2026, TikTok has begun syncing draft metadata to accounts on creator accounts and TikTok shop seller accounts. Log in and go to your profile, tap Drafts, and check if anything has been restored automatically. Step 6. If you had previously uploaded any draft footage to another app for editing like CapCut, which is directly linked to TikTok, open CapCut and check your projects folder. Your original unposted video files may still be fully intact there and ready to re-import into TikTok as a fresh draft. Pro tip going forward, always save a copy of every draft to your camera roll before doing anything with the app. In TikTok's editor, tap the arrow save icon before you exit a draft and it will store the video directly to your phone's gallery. This one habit means you will never lose a draft again no matter what happens to the app. And that's your complete recovery guide for lost TikTok drafts. To recap, check Recently Deleted on your phone, search your file manager for leftover TikTok data, restore from a device backup if you have one. Log back into TikTok to check for auto-restored drafts, and check CapCut for your original project files. And from today onwards, always save drafts to your camera roll. If this video helps save your content, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tips and tech fixes, and tell me in the comments, did you manage to get your drafts back? Let me know which step worked and I'll reply to every single one. See you in the next video.